The following is a paid presentation for the Easy Paint Pro. You love to renovate your house with freshly painted walls and ceilings, but you hate the hassle of all the necessary preparations and paint all over, and then spend hours with masking tape. Not to mention pouring paint again and again in your paint tray and messing it all up. And then you haven't even started yet. Then what you really need is the all-new Easy Paint Pro. The quick and easy professional paint system that can color your entire wall, ceiling, or even your garage door in just minutes. No constant back and forth trips to the paint tray and no messy dripping. Simply pour in your favorite paint, pop on the lid, and roll the perfect coat. It's like having an entire can of paint in just one compact, innovative, drip-free roller. One of the fantastic accessories that you get with your Easy Paint Pro is this fine flocked edger that saves you time, as you can get a straight line when cutting into the ceiling when painting walls without masking. It's easy, it's fast, it's the one and only Easy Paint Pro. Imagine painting an entire wall in just 5 minutes. Use any broom handle to quickly paint an entire ceiling. The secret behind this amazing new technology is in the Easy Paint Pro's innovative microfiber head and distribution system that releases the paint in a perfect, even flow with machine-like precision, giving you the perfect coat every time with no dripping. And cleanup is as easy as rinsing under a tap. During this special TV offer, you can get your very own Easy Paint Pro with resting tray for the amount you see on your screen. If you order now, we'll also give you this super fine flocked edger absolutely free. You'll also receive this Easy Flow paint pourer and this fine corner pad for the real hard-to-reach places. Together a $30 value, and now absolutely free. So call now the number on your screen to order your Easy Paint Pro through this limited time offer. Call now.